In today's video, I am going to teach you how to freeze panes in Excel. This is a very useful feature when you are working with a large spreadsheet and you want to keep important headings visible while you scroll through the rest of your data. Freezing panes helps you stay oriented, especially when the top row contains column titles that you need to reference as you move down the worksheet. In this example, we are going to freeze the top row so it stays locked in place. To begin, go to the View tab at the top of the screen. This tab contains several tools that control how your worksheet is displayed, including options for zoom. It is usually located in the Window section, so it should be easy to find once you are in the correct tab. Next, click the Freeze Panes button. This will open a small drop-down menu with different freezing options. These options are designed to help you keep certain parts of your worksheet visible while the rest of the sheet scrolls normally. For this task, we only need the option that keeps the first row in place. From the drop-down menu, select Freeze Top Row. As soon as you click it, Excel will apply the setting right away. You will notice a thin gray line appear just underneath row 1. That line is a visual indicator that the top row has been frozen. It means that even when you scroll down through the worksheet, row 1 will remain visible at the top of the screen. This is especially helpful when your spreadsheet contains many rows of information and you do not want to lose sight of the column labels. It makes reading and entering data much easier because you can always see what each column represents without having to scroll back up. If you do not immediately notice the effect, try scrolling down a little in your worksheet. You should see that the top row stays in place while the rest of the rows move. That confirms the setting is active and working properly. That covers everything you need to know.